Well, ahead of Delhi polls and one day after the BJP released its second list of 29 candidates, there's a rift in the party after Karawal sitting BJP MLA was dropped to accommodate former Aam Aadmi Party leader and now in the BJP Kapil Mishra. Mohan Singh will go solo in Karawal. Mohan Singh is the sitting candidate of the BJP from Karawal Nagar, and Kapil Mishra was picked over Singh. Kapil Mishra was fielded from Karawal Nagar. In fact, the announcement was made yesterday. Kapil Mishra is one of the 29 candidates that the BJP released as part of his second list yesterday. Mohan has said that he will be contesting from Karawal Nagar and he has refused to take any other seat. Karawal sitting MLA from the BJP has rebelled now.
निश्चित रूप से पार्टी को ये लगता है कि ये बीजेपी की सीट है और बीजेपी में किसी ऐरा गैरा नत्थू खैरा किसी को भी लड़ा देंगे, वो जीत जाएगा। ये बहुत बड़ी भूल है। यहाँ बुराड़ी हो, करावल नगर हो, घोंडा हो, सीलमपुर हो, आपका गोकलपुरी हो, नंदनगरी हो, ये सारी सीटों में क्या हाल होगा ये तो आने वाला समय बताएगा। और अब तो मैं नहीं कहूँगा कि पार्टी को इसको दोबारा से कंसीडर करना चाहिए। पार्टी कितना भी लालच मुझे दे दे, यहाँ से लड़ लो, वहाँ से लड़ लो, मैं चुनाव उससे नहीं लड़ूंगा, मैं यहीं से लड़ूंगा।
So that's a rift in the BJP after it released its second list with 29 candidates, which also had the name of Kapil Mishra, former Aam Aadmi Party leader. And now with the BJP, he was accommodated and Karawal sitting MLA from the BJP, Mohan Singh, was dropped. Now Mohan Singh has announced that he will be going solo. He will be fighting independently against Kapil Mishra. And there you heard him saying that Karawal Nagar is a party seat and it should have rightfully gone to a party candidate, somebody who belongs to the party. Kapil Mishra was picked over Singh and now Mohan Singh has said that he will be contesting the election as an independent.